Okay, I'm going to explain a little bit about how this works. I had some friends asking me to do a video. So if you look to the left of the arm, you'll see the e-stop button and the green start button. That's our start button. Just going to walk through some of this stuff. It's a feeder bowl up on top there that feeds these parts. They're going to be nuts for jet aircraft. These are the blanks. They're round blanks. They're going to drop them in a press, and that press is going to punch them into the shape of a nut. So what we've done is we've set up a little simulated area here, and then we're going to take everything over there. These are our light curtains. I have a little card I set up with a rubber band, you can see, just to delay the pulse a little bit. It's going to be at an angle when we get there, so that's just a little temporary thing taped on there to delay the pulse. So this basically is going to drop this into the little hole here, and then a press is going to come down and smash it into shape. This is our controller. Right now we're set at 20% speed. This is the box. I just did some couple of things with some relays to delay the pulse. I'm not installed them yet. The programmer says he can do a latching circuit. The main Mitsubishi programmer says there's a way to latch the light curtain, so I don't need these extra relays, so I haven't actually installed them yet. This is our box, just temporarily. It's kind of messy. I'm just basically wiring everything. This is all our stuff. This area here is a little test section, so I can simulate everything that's going to happen over there. This is our light stack. Green light is on. This is our cage open. We're going to have a cage around the part, so if someone opens the door, this is going to, this is basically our test area. This is our little signal, the little light there, showing that the press fired, just some little inputs and outputs. The inputs and outputs all go to that little area right up here, and then from there they go to the controller. So anyway, that's that. Just going to run it for a while. Okay, it's waiting to see the signal that a part dropped. We're at 20% speed. So anyway, that's that. The feeder bowl just fired because its sensor on the top of that rack up on the top right there just showed it was out of parts. I'll show you what some of the stuff I had to program in. You'll see the light stack show different lights. I just removed the cage. Somebody just opened the door, so we had to program a thing into the program showing it to go back to the home position and wait. The red light's on. It goes to red light position. It's all kinds of little things we had to program in. I even made a diagnostic program so it'll check all the inputs and outputs if the robot ever stops. They didn't want to buy a display, which is expensive, so I used the light stack, red, green, and yellow light. to show them all the conditions. It'll flash a green test, and it'll flash a green and yellow test, and a green, yellow, and red test, and it'll go through and test all the things. Notice the yellow light just came on, but it's delayed. My parts are coming back through. So they're out of parts from the Peterbilt. So that means we just finished the parts that we had in the feeder bowls. Job's done. They're going to run about an hour's worth of parts. We had to put all that, the timers and everything in, so it counts parts and then runs to a cycle in stop. It's pretty interesting stuff. But anyway, that's the robot.